Imagine this. You're standing in your kitchen. The scent of freshly baked cookies wafts through the air. The aroma is comforting, carrying you back to your childhood, when you'd rush home from school to find warm cookies waiting for you. In that moment, as you breathe in the warm smell, it almost feels like you've traveled back in time. Powerful, isn't it? But what if I told you that time travel, the kind we see in movies and read about in books, might not be as far-fetched as it seems? Welcome to another episode of Play Eat for What, where today we're rolling up our sleeves and diving into the fascinating world of time travel theories. Now don't worry if physics wasn't your favorite subject in school. We're keeping it simple, just like those cookies from Grandma's oven. Time. We're all living by its rules. We wake up with the sun, navigate our days by the clock, and fall asleep under the moon. But what is time, really? Imagine it as a river, flowing relentlessly from the past to the present and onward to the future. We, like little boats, drift along its current. Most of us are content with this journey, but some minds have dared to ask, what if we could paddle upstream or leap ahead? One of those curious minds belonged to Albert Einstein. Now you've probably heard of him. Wild hair, brilliant ideas. Einstein introduced us to the concept of relativity. He suggested that time isn't fixed. It can stretch and bend like a piece of dough. If you travel at a speed close to light, time around you slows down compared to someone on Earth. It's as if you're baking cookies at two different temperatures. One batch is done faster, while the other takes its sweet time. Still with me? Great, because here's where it gets even more captivating. Imagine you're on a train, racing across the countryside at lightning speed. As you look out the window, you catch glimpses of the landscape blurring by. According to Einstein's theory, time for you on that train would tick differently than for someone standing still outside. You could, in theory, arrive home before you even left. Mind-boggling, right? Another intriguing idea comes from wormholes. Picture a wormhole as a tunnel that connects two distant points in space and time. It's like finding a secret passageway in a bookshop that leads you to a different world. The concept of wormholes suggests that by entering one end and exiting the other, you might traverse whole eras in the blink of an eye. However, like any shortcut, it comes with its risks and uncertainties. Will the passage stay open? Would you end up in the right place or time? Would you emerge in one piece? Scientists and storytellers alike have been captivated by these possibilities. Take the great-grandfather paradox, for instance. It's a thought experiment that wonders, what if you traveled back in time and accidentally stopped your grandfather from meeting your grandmother? Would you erase your own existence? It's like contemplating if you could eat your cake and have it too. It challenges our understanding of cause and effect. Time travel isn't just a fascination for physicists, though. It's something we ponder in our everyday lives. We daydream about correcting past mistakes or peeking into a future where everything aligns perfectly. I remember once wishing I could revisit a summer evening during my childhood. Fireflies danced in the cool night air as my family and I laughed around a campfire, the warmth of both the flames and love encompassing us. Those are moments you wish could last forever. But here's the thing. While scientists continue to explore these mysterious avenues, time travel is also about cherishing and understanding the time we have now. Each tick of the clock is a reminder of the precious moments we're given. It's like tasting the sweetness of those cookies, fresh out of the oven. Every bite is to be savored. For now, our best time machine might just be our memories and dreams, which hold the power to transport us across the years. They're like those beloved stories we return to again and again, offering comfort and wisdom with each reading. So while science might one day unravel the secrets of time travel, let's not forget to live in the present, to cherish the journey we're on. Because in the end, time is a gift, inviting us to make the most of each day. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through time. As we reflect on these theories and what they mean for us, remember, the future is just as exciting as the past, filled with possibilities waiting to be explored. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep playing with the fabric of time in your own unique way.